At 11:43 on the morning of March 17, 1945, Captain Takeo Tanimizu sat in cockpit of his Nakajima Ki-84 Hayate fighter, called Sign Storm Dragon 7, descending through heavy cloud cover at 12,000 feet over Okinawa. 26 years old, 4th Air Army, 41 confirmed victories, 93 combat missions. The Hayate was Japan's best fighter. The aircraft designed specifically to kill B-29 Superfortresses, speed 427 miles per hour, faster than P-51 Mustang, faster than P-47 Thunderbolt, faster than any American fighter at altitude. Armament: two 12.7mm machine guns and two 20mm cannons, devastating firepower, climb rate 4,000 feet per minute, exceptional. Americans called it Frank, Japanese called it Gale, Tanimizu called it his vengeance weapon. Because this aircraft could finally reach B-29s, could finally stop the firebombing, could finally kill Americans who were burning Japanese cities. Tanimizu had joined Imperial Japanese Army Air Force in 1939, age 20, third son of sake brewery owner. Family expected him to work the business. Tanimizu wanted to fly. Army offered opportunity. Escape, purpose, flight school 1940. Tanimizu struggled initially. Coordination was poor, spatial awareness limited. Instructors considered washing him out. But Tanimizu worked harder than anyone, practiced constantly, improved gradually, graduated middle of class, not exceptional, just determined. First assignment was China, Nakajima Ki-84 Hayabusa Oscar fighter, light, maneuverable, inadequate armament, 2 rifle-caliber machine guns, could not kill bombers effectively, but excellent for dogfighting. Tanimizu's first kill came August 1941, Chinese I-16 fighter, dogfight over Chengdu. Tanimizu got position, short burst, Chinese aircraft caught fire, pilot bailed out, parachute opened, lived. Tanimizu felt satisfaction, professional, clean by December 1941. Tanimizu had killed 8 Chinese aircraft. Then Pacific War started, December 8, 1941. Pearl Harbor, Philippines. Everything changed. Tanimizu's unit deployed to Philippines January 1942, fought American forces, P-40 Warhawks, P-35s, obsolete aircraft, easy kills. By May 1942, Tanimizu had 23 confirmed victories, became ace, received recognition, promoted to lieutenant. But American aircraft improved. P-38 Lightning appeared 1943, fast, powerful, deadly. Ki-43 Oscar could not compete. Too light, too weak. Tanimizu's unit received Ki-44 Shoki Tojo fighter, better armed, better protected, heavier, faster, but still inadequate against American heavy bombers. B-24 Liberators, B-17 Flying Fortresses. These aircraft absorbed incredible punishment. Ki-44's armament insufficient. Need bigger guns, more firepower, more speed, more altitude performance. In June 1944, Tanimizu's unit received new aircraft Nakajima Ki-84 Hayate Frank, revolutionary design, Army's answer to Navy's N-1K. J. Sure did, but better, faster, better armed, better built. Tanimizu flew his first mission in Hayate July 2, 1944, intercepting B-24 formation over Iwo Jima, climbed to 28,000 feet, met bombers head-on. 20mm cannons for second burst, B-24's nose shattered, aircraft rolled, fell, burning, crew bailed out. Some, not all. Tanimizu felt grim satisfaction. This was revenge for Tokyo, for Osaka, for Nagoya, for every Japanese city Americans burned. By September 1944, Tanimizu had killed 11 American bombers with Hayate, all B-24s or B-29s. Heavy kills, important kills, but American raids continued. Increased, hundreds of B-29s, thousands of tons of incendiaries, Japanese cities burning, civilians dying. Tanimizu's home city Kobe was firebombed March 5, 1945. Father killed, mother killed, sister killed, brother survived, brewery destroyed, everything gone. Tanimizu learned this March 10th. He requested immediate combat duty. Commander approved. Tanimizu would fly every mission possible, kill every American possible, until death, until victory, until end. March 17, 1945, mission was intercept B-29 formation attacking Kobe again. What remained of Kobe, intelligence reported 80 B-29s, escorted by 50 P-51 Mustangs. Tanimizu's units scrambled 23 Hayates, inadequate numbers, but only aircraft available. Formation climbed to 32,000 feet above B-29 altitude, standard tactic. Attack from above, use speed, hit hard, escape fast. At 11:27, Tanimizu spotted Americans, formation below 30,000 feet. B-29s in tight formation, Mustangs weaving above, protective pattern. Tanimizu's flight leader ordered attack. Dive through escort, hit bombers. Ignore fighters if possible, standard tactics, suicidal tactics, but necessary. Tanimizu selected target B-29 in formation center, rolled inverted, dove, speed building for 100 miles per hour for 150, 500, maximum dive speed, Mustangs diving, chasing, closing. Tanimizu ignored them, focused on B-29, range 500 yards for 100, 300 open fire, 20mm cannons, 12.7 machine guns, all weapons. Full burst, 5 seconds. Ammunition consumption massive, but effective. Hits walked across B-29's cockpit. Fuselage, wing root, fire, explosion. B-29 rolled right, fell, burning. Tanimizu pulled up, maximum G-load, vision narrowed, grade held. But Mustang was there on Tanimizu's tail, 6 o'clock, firing 50 caliber tracers, round struck Hayate's tail, rudder, elevator controls, surfaces damaged, aircraft yawed. Tanimizu fought controls, reversed hard, Mustang overshot. Tanimizu got snapshot, fired, missed, Mustang broke left, Tanimizu pursued. Another Mustang arrived, attacking from high. Tanimizu broke right, lost sight of first Mustang, focused on second, head-on pass, both firing, closure rate 800 miles per hour. Rounds exchanged, Tanimizu's cockpit canopy shattered, fragments struck his face, arm, pain, blood, but aircraft still flying. Second Mustang broke off. Tanimizu checked instruments, oil pressure dropping, coolant temperature rising, engine hit, damage serious. Range to base 90 miles, might make it, might not. Reduced power, conserved engine, descended to 10,000 feet, headed south toward Kyushu, home base. At 11:52, engine temperature critical, red line exceeded, smoke from cowling, black, thick, oil burning, coolant boiling, engine seizing. 11:56, engine quit, dead seized, Hate became glider, heavy glider. Tanimizu searched for landing site, spotted airfield ahead, 15 miles, maybe could glide there, maybe nose down, increase speed, improved glide ratio, 8-to-1. 1,000 feet altitude gave 8,000 feet distance. Current altitude, 9,000 feet. Could glide 72,000 feet, 13.6 miles. Airfield was 15 miles, close, very close, marginal. Wind was favorable, tailwind, 10 knots, extra distance. Tanimizu nursed Hate toward airfield. No power, just gravity, just aerodynamics, just hope. At 12:04, airfield visible, runway, buildings, aircraft looked correct. Japanese base safe. Tanimizu entered pattern. Dead stick landing, no power, no go around, one attempt, must succeed. Extended landing gear, manual system. Hand crank, lowered flaps, partial, full flaps, too much drag. Would not reach runway. Line up final approach. Altitude 1,000 feet. Speed 160 knots. Fast but necessary. Cannot stall. Dead engine means no recovery. Descended 800 feet, 600, 400. Runway approaching. 200 feet, 150. Wheels touched, hard landing. Bounced, settled, rolled. No brakes. Hydraulics dead. Rolled long. Stopped near. Runway end. Safe, alive, relieved. Tanimizu opened canopy. Climbed out. Looked around. Something wrong. Aircraft nearby. Not Japanese. American P-51 Mustangs, B-47 Thunderbolts, B-25 Mitchells, all American. Ground crew approaching. American uniforms. American helmets. American weapons. Tanimizu froze. Realized catastrophic mistake. landed American-controlled airfield. Captured Okinawa Airfield. Americans captured this base 3 days earlier, March 14th. Intelligence did not report this. Communication failed. Same navigation error others made. Tanimizu's war ended. He raised hands, surrendered. American soldiers secured Tanimizu, secured Hayate. First intact Ki-84 captured anywhere, Pacific War. Intelligence windfall, Americans ecstatic. This was fighter killing B-29s. Fighter Americans feared. Fighter needed, studying desperately. Within hours, engineers arrived. Test pilots arrived. Intelligence officers arrived. Photographed everything. Documented everything. Serial numbers. Armament, engine, systems. Everything exposed. Hayate was transported March 23rd. Destination Wright Field, Ohio. Testing facility. American engineers examined Hayate meticulously. Discovered sophistication. Nakajima Ki-85 engine. 1,820 horsepower. Powerful, reliable design. But Japanese manufacturing quality poor. Tolerances loose. Materials substandard. Engine performed below potential. Armament excellent. Toho 103 12.7mm machine guns. Toho 520mm cannons. Good ballistics. High velocity. Accurate. Airframe strong. Well designed, but again, poor manufacturing. Rivets loose. Seams rough. Quality control absent. American test pilot Major Harold Fisher flew captured Hayate April 7, 1945. First American fly Frank. Historical moment. Fisher started engine. 45 roared. Powerful, impressive, but rough. Vibration excessive. Poor balance. Manufacturing defect. Taxied. Heavy. Ground handling difficult. Takeoff roll long. Longer than expected. Climbed. Rate excellent. For 1,000 feet per minute. Better than P-51's 3,000. Level flight tested. Maximum speed 420. 7 miles per hour at 20,000 feet. Faster than P-51's 437? No. Testing showed 408 miles per hour actual. Slower than published. Manufacturing quality reduced performance. Fisher engaged mock dogfight against P-51 Mustang. Results mixed. Hayate climbed better, turned tighter low altitude, but P-51 faster above 20,000 feet. P-51 more reliable. P-51 better built. Hayate had potential, good design, but execution poor, manufacturing quality catastrophic. War was killing Japan's industry. Quality collapsed. Hayate was good aircraft, made poorly. American intelligence distributed bulletins. Ki-84 Hayate threat assessment. Capabilities overstated. Actual performance below specifications. Manufacturing quality poor. Engine reliability questionable. Exploit these weaknesses. Force extended combat. Engine will fail. Force high-speed combat. Airframe will fail. Quality control absent. These tactics worked. April through August 1945, American pilots defeated Hayates consistently. Not because Hayate was bad design, because Japanese could not build them properly, war economy collapsed, quality died, pilots died. Tanimizu remained prisoner until September 1945. Japan surrendered. War ended. Tanimizu repatriated November 1945. Returned Japan. Kobe. Found city destroyed completely. Family dead. Brewery gone. Nothing remained. Tanimizu moved Tokyo. Found work mechanic. Motorcycle shop. Married 1948. Had children. Lived quietly. Never spoke about war. Never mentioned 41 victories. Never discussed hate. Never talked about mistake. Shame was too great. Navigation error cost Japan its best fighter's secrets. Cost lives. Cost advantage. Unforgivable. Tanimizu died April 9, 1993. Age 73. Cancer. Buried Tokyo. Civilian funeral. No military honors. No recognition. Family knew he fought. Knew he survived. Nothing more. Tanimizu wanted forgotten. Wanted peace, got both, but captured Hayate remembered him. Museum display. Placard describes capture. Tanimizu's mistake. Impact on war. One navigation error. One emergency landing. One mistake. Gave America the fighter Japan needed to stop being